Hello friends, today's topic is about how alcohol cause or precipitate gouty arthritis. Simple, gout you are already knowing means increased uric acid level, and due to that increased uric acid, uric crystal is deposited in a particular joint, and that can lead to the gouty arthritis. And this gouty arthritis is specially seen in a alcoholic or chronic alcoholic person. So simple, what happen? Ethanol to acetaldehyde and acetic acid. Same thing is with the methanol to formaldehyde and formic acid. And this reaction is occurring with the help of alcohol dehydrogenase and aldehyde dehydrogenase enzyme. And due to that reaction, increased level of NADH is seen. And all these are related to the increased level of NADH inside the cell. Simple alcohol metabolism, that is increasing NADH level inside the cell, and due to that high NADH level, that will convert pyruvate to the lactate. So pyruvate, that is end product of the glycolysis process, and this pyruvate will be further converted into the lactate due to that high level of NADH. And this increased lactate means lactic acid. So this lactic acid concentration is increased, and that is competing directly to the uric acid, which is responsible for the gout. In a gout already there is a high uric acid level, but this lactic acid which is excessively produced, that will further compete with the uric acid for the excretion in the renal tubule. So that due to competition, what happen, this decreased excretion of uric acid will be seen, and that will increase uric acid level in the blood, and that increased uric acid level, that can further precipitate the gouty condition. Further, what happen, due to that high lactic acid level, that metabolic acidosis is also seen, and this acidosis or acidic pH, that is converting this uric acid into the sodium urate crystal. So already uric acid level increased due to that lactic acid. Further, this lactic acid, that will precipitate urate crystal formation inside the cell, and that will lead to the precipitation of gouty arthritis. So first of all, uric acid level is increasing, and secondly, due to this acidic pH, that crystal formation is seen, and that is leading to the gouty arthritis. So in alcoholic person, when particularly alcohol is taken in excess amount, that can precipitate gouty arthritis. So you have to remember, alcohol can precipitate the gouty arthritis.